Hello, I'm Wyatt from Hangzhou Shenli Experimental School.
My name is Oliver. My work is programming.
And my work is writing and also introducing. So this time we've made a program to notice people to keep a distance of 1 meter and also to show their health codes when doing the acid test. And so we do this is because that the COVID-19 has started since 2019 and it's more than 3 years until now. So we need to do acid testings every 2 days. So I think that if we make a program and let the other workers which is doing this test to do less things and also to need less people. So let's see this.
欢迎使用 SPL-08 智能助手。下一位请上前。请问你72小时内做过核酸吗？
做过。
请提前打开健康码，间隔1米，谢谢配合。您是第一个。 正在扫码。下一位请上前。下一位请上前。请问你72小时内做过核酸吗？
没做过。
好的，你不用做了。下一位请上前。
And so this is a program and it helps a lot. Thanks.